Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Trichology. Trichology is the study of hair, anatomy of hair, root, hair bulb, and shaft. So, hair contains root, hair bulb, and shaft. So, the shaft of the hair has medulla, cortex. Cortex is surrounded by cuticle. So, shaft is covered by cuticular scales which are outermost. Shaft is divided into central medulla and peripheral cortex. On cut section, outermost layer is cuticle, middle part is medulla. In between the medulla and cuticle, there is cortex.
thank you and thank you for watching.